Placer County is fighting back to keep a violent predator out of their community. ABC 10's Garshpal Sangha is live in the studio tonight with more on how you can make your voice heard as well.
Yeah, Chris, and this is William Stephenson. He could be free after September 1st as a transient in Placer County. Now, he was supposed to go to Amador County, but that changed after the protest by the community there. But now a website has been created to prevent him from coming to Placer too.
Where will William Stephenson go? That is the question many, specifically in Placer County, are looking for an answer to.
I'm concerned about my community.
For Julie Soto, her answer is not in Placer County.
I don't understand this, and I don't understand with his record why this is happening now in Placer County.
The county's district attorney's office says Stephenson was first convicted of indecent exposure in 1985 in Sacramento County. Then in 1991, he was convicted of sexual violence and was sentenced to 31 years. He was released in 2014. Then 3 years later, he was caught with child pornography. A state health provider is in charge of finding Stephenson a place to live. At the moment, it is looking for him to move into an RV at an undisclosed Placer location.
My concern is what's going to stop him from reoffending again.
Soto started a Change.org petition to create a movement to keep Stephenson away from the county.
I'm all for second chances, but he kind of blew that.
Lisa Ensbury is also hoping to do the same, starting a Facebook group called Release of William Stephenson.
I do understand that he served his time. I do understand he is going to be released. I am completely against him being released as a transient because nobody can keep track of that, and it puts our entire community at risk.
The Placer County District Attorney's Office is adamant they do not want him released. Now they have created a website where people can give their feedback on the case.
I definitely think that they're prioritizing the criminals over the victims. I think it re-traumatizes the victims when they release people like this, these sexually violent predators.
Now, we reached out to the California Department of State Hospitals, which is working with that health provider of Stephenson, and they say they cannot release any information because of state and federal privacy laws. Now, Stephenson's next court hearing is set for September 1st in Auburn. Guys.
And the state was supposed to file a formal notice with the court today. Any developments there?
Yeah, they haven't really told us what they filed, but the Placer DA told us nothing really concrete was filed, and that other than they haven't really said where they want to place Stephenson or an action plan on how they go about placing Stephenson. So that is what they want to know. So the Placer DA is going to be working to make sure an action plan is filed, and they're going to be asking the court, unless the action plan is filed, to delay releasing Stephenson. So September 1st is going to be a really big date.
A lot of moving parts here. Keep us posted, Garshpal. Thank you.